Hello and welcome back to our latest episode of Space TV Unboxing. Today we have our Octo AV modulator by Johansson to reveal to you. This is the 8180 and it is a 8-way analog modulator. Now this product will be replacing our Mod 6 modulator as that product is being discontinued. This will be the product that will be replacing that. Today I just want to give you a brief overview as well as a quick unboxing on this product. Let's jump right in. Now as you can see, after opening the box, we have a nice user manual that has all the information you need to set up and program this device. In terms of cabling, we have one cable included. This is a figure of 8 power connector. It is a pretty standard connection. And we have the modulator itself. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of information going on at the top here. I'm going to try to break it down for you guys into connections and software. So let's start off with the connection portion of it. We'll start with the power supply. As we mentioned a little bit earlier, we have a figure of 8 power connector over here. We also have 2 little connection holes on the side here, which allow you to remove this cover in case you would like to replace this power supply due to a surge or lightning. Now, if we move a little bit over, you can see we have 4 inputs over here, which is 1 video input and 2 audio inputs per channel. This gives you a stereo audio as well as a video connection per channel. Now we have 4 on this side, we have 4 on the top, which I'll show you now, and we have a nice little cable management solution over here, as well as your main RF output. Now if we move to the top of the device, you can see we have our remaining 4 inputs up at the top with that nice little cable tray again, and we have a convenient test port up here as long as a ground connection. So over here we have our RF output, which is a nice 114 dB microvolt output, which is great for big networks. If you need to get this spread to a lot of TVs, it's got a great starting output number. In terms of the RF port up top here, this is nice if you would like to test this unit in a live environment without actually killing the network itself. You can just plug your meter directly into here. It's already tapped off with a minus 30 dBs, just so it's a bit easier for your meter to read and understand. In terms of the front panel over here, you can see it shows you your inputs 1 and 2. It tells you which is the top and the bottom, which one is which is really nice. And I think we should get into the software features of this now. Okay, starting off with our software and features, pretty much we're going to be discussing these options over here. Let's get right into it. So first of all, the region, we have this device with a built-in South African channel plan. It is pre-installed, which makes programming a lot easier for this unit with a lot of preset options. In terms of the standards, this device can work with PAL-I as well as BG, which means we can use this within Africa and South Africa, which is really nice and convenient. In terms of the AV channels, on this unit you have the option to choose which channel individually you would like to use. A little LED will be displayed on the channel that you choose, and you can choose all of these individual settings for each channel. So first of all, we have the RF channel available. So this is where you're going to choose your channel number that you'll tune into on your TV. We have a RF attenuator. Now this can drop 20 dBs off your signal that is available from your RF output. This is a great feature if you just want to balance your system and make sure that everything is running along the same level. Maybe get some more input or less input from your actual RCA inputs from your devices. You can modify that here, as well as the audio and video levels. Let's say one decoder is louder than the other decoder. You can set them to all be on the same level so that you're not blasted when you get the customer changing their channels and the one channel is louder than the other one. Now the last feature that we have is we have the lock function. When you turn this unit on, you will see that it is locked from the beginning. This is so that any end users or children that are close around and maybe want to play with the button, just so that no one can interfere with the settings that you have set up for this product. And that is a short overview of this product. Please, if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section down below. If you need anything from us or would like pricing on this, please contact your nearest Space TV branch and we'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We have many more unboxings coming your way. Thank you. Have a nice day.